Hi everyone, and welcome to my beautiful channel. And we are celebrating the journey that I had embarked on with YouTube a year and a few months ago. So please do enjoy all my videos and also show some love by subscribing and also sharing this to your family and friends so that they can come and also subscribe to my channel. If you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in, and please enjoy this beautiful vlog so that your girl can also know that she's doing something actually cute for you. So adios. Hi everyone, this is our beautiful room tour. So that is the door that you walk in when you get to the room from outside, and then when you get in you just find this lovely, what do you call it, wardrobe thing, and it's spacious inside. And then next to it you just find this coffee table, tea table, whatever. Those are mine, you didn't come in the room. And then down here you have your glass and your cup. And then moving back to the side, this is our bathroom. I already used the bathroom, and yeah, this is my stuff. And then this is the beautiful basin, and yeah, this is nice, this is nice. I think I like that mirror more than anything. And then this definitely I'm gonna take home. This is the mini, what you call, window. And yeah, this is the lovely shower. It's so spacious, guys. Spacious. So now walking back, we have our room. So this is our room. This is the bed, and then yeah, that's my laptop, and then this is the window, then the couch, and yeah, and that's about it. Hi, just looking at this beautiful nature, trees, sounds of birds, peace of mind. And forget a little bit about the city, the pub, and the kasi, the hooting of the taxis and all that. So yeah, I'm outside right now. The view that I'm looking at is this one, and yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty scary. But it's nice to look at. But for me to just walk down there, I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna do that for the content, because I don't wanna get lost wherever that is. So I'm alone here. It's a beautiful place, man, for like weddings. It's just a nice spot. If you want that mini wedding, you just come here, and then you just so nice. Hope you've been good, hope you're doing good, hope all that. I left my tripod at the room, so I'm literally gonna have a very, very terrible angle. So yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video to your friends. I know I've been saying hair, but yeah, don't forget to do all the nice things for your girl so that she can get, because we're chasing after the what, not about fun. So yeah, quite nice. I just had breakfast, and I didn't get anything fancy. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna have bread, eggs, and tea. Then done. They had so much to offer, but I didn't want that for my soul. So here it's not even self-catering, they cater for you. You have lunch, dinner, and also the thingy, the breakfast. So yesterday I had the dinner. Hey Bo, what's that? There's sofa, yes? There is something there. I don't know what it is. Hey, it's him hanging, guys. Let me go before. The day that I was talking about, it's right here. I'm sure you're not gonna see right here, because this is lovely. So I have the key to the room and then the power bank because my phone is about to die. I'm literally walking. It's so dark. It's literally dark. I'll chat with you guys when I get to the cafeteria. You guys are probably wondering, like this person is like outside in the bushes alone because this is so therapeutic. I am pretty much happy that Ndila and it's so nice. I'm looking yeah. We'll get to chat though, but now, hopefully, when I get to credit, peace out. Morning, y'all. Morning. I am up and about and I'm here to have breakfast. Oh, bro, what's happening with my thingy? Look at this. Okay, so I am literally gonna eat breakfast, and then after breakfast I go bath and then check out. Okay, so that's it there. I'm gonna have omelette. This other waiter said he's gonna bring it for me, and I'm super excited. Yeah, the view is viewing. He's literally viewing it. And yeah, let me just eat and go back. I'm just gonna take less than 15 minutes here, and yeah. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video to your friends. I'm gonna get prepared to bath and organize because I'm having my slippers on, and yeah. With the Bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex from all you on the honestly can't even eat in peace. Like, yo, I do. So, I'm about to finish my breakfast. I have to finish before 10. Everything, like, I have to be done before 10. But at least I packed my bag, and I'm just, when I'm just done here, I'm just gonna go get prepared. So, and then I'm done. Okay, so it's gonna be that, and I'm out of this place. Hopefully I do go to church today, and not hopefully, I'm definitely going to church today because, girl, I am going to church today, and I don't have an outfit for today. I'll just figure something out. Yeah, see what I wear. Right. So yeah, I've been watching so many. What's this series is on Netflix, and it was super nice, and I'll just leave the name here. And yeah, so I was thinking of taking a break also from YouTube and just starting something else away from having to show people what I get to do, just doing me, like I used to before YouTube. But on the other hand, I'm like, I love YouTube, and YouTube gives me the energy, man. It gives me that thing, you're productive, you're doing something for yourself, you're doing not only something that is not from you, what you don't want, but you're doing something that you really, really want. So that's me. And I'm like, okay, I think I'm gonna think about it thoroughly and get to a decision of what I must literally do. So let me just get up right now and go get prepared for living, and yeah, good to see you when I'm done showering, or maybe I don't know, we'll just see when I get prepared to live. I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna bath and shower, and so yeah, this is day 30. This is day 3. Yeah, bye guys. I'm so ashamed of coming out here with Kitama Tabatame. So Kishia and then I just come here. You understand? So I don't know. When I was taking videos, I was literally using this to take the phone. So cheers to nature. Cheers to the sounds of the birds, and cheers to new beginnings. Cheers. Hi guys, I am literally gonna leave now, and yeah, let me actually head out. Hopefully, because I moistured my jean. Look, I was trying to peel it, and yeah, my shake, but it is what it is. Let me guys show you what's happening with myself. I'm gonna leave this video here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video to my friends. I said I wanted to show you something. I think I packed everything and I'm not leaving anything behind. So yeah, let's go. Thank you so much for tuning to this video, to this part. I think I'm gonna end this video here. It's gonna be a weekend vlog, and that's it. And yeah, let me just finish up my Fanta orange, and then we'll talk in the next coming video. Please do watch, do give some love to my morning routine video. I know that you guys are gonna attack me, but like, why are you busy showing us the views? We wanna see you also, guys. There's nothing to see. Mona, you already know that I'm beautiful, and what's there to see more? am I kidding? I think I'm kidding, but as I'm walking down this beautiful path, have nothing else to say or anything to say to be honest. Just gotta talk.
Nobody just with you right now. The truth, I look better under you.